Psh. I'm not physically fit to have a baby. Are you kidding me? Oh, you're sneaky. Man, those guys are sneaky. I hope they're all... When does it end? When? I don't even... What is going... I don't know what's going on anymore. What's it to do with us? I don't know what you're talking about. Not even close, baby! Who designed this game? I mean, what the fuck? Right, I don't even care, Mom. So, how did this wall just rebuild itself? I don't understand anything anymore. Okay, no, I'm sick of this. Let me just jump. Or are you? Ooh, a water slide. That looks fun. Let's go. Okay, this is a bit overkill. Oh, thank God it's over. Oh God. I don't even want to throw up right now, so you do it, don't you? For a second there. You know, things just happen. Things just happen. Oh, hello. What's your name? Man, I don't even want to kill myself right now. I'm just secure. I seriously don't want to kill myself right now because this looks beautiful. I mean, with all the yellow. Who designed this? You son of a bitch. Okay, well, those look nice, yeah. Alright, here's the final battle. The final clip. I have to make this as epic as possible. Eggman, I'm coming for you!